Hi children, good morning everybody. Today we are going to do the grammar lesson number 2, chapter 2, standard 4, subject English 2, that is grammar, chapter 2. What is the chapter that I will tell you afterwards. Okay, now I have written some words on the board. I have written some words on the board. I will read it down. See. This is book, right? This is one word, this is another word, third word, fourth word, right? So, what do you call? This is the group of words. What do you call? This is group of words. But, do you find the meaning of these words? No. Because they are not arranged properly. They are not arranged properly. They are group of words, but they are not arranged properly. If we arrange the words properly, then what do we call? That we will see. Now see. This is a book. Full stop. Starting with capital letter, ending with full stop. So, this is a book. This is also a group of words. These are also called the group of words. But, they make a complete meaning. They make a complete meaning. The group of words that make complete meaning is called the sentence. So, our lesson is the sentence. I hope you have understood this thing. Okay? Group of words which are not arranged properly. They are not called the sentence. But the same words arranged in a proper order is called the sentence. Sentence means vakya. Okay? Now, a sentence always begins, the first word, first letter begins with a capital letter, ending with a full stop. Begins with the capital letter, ending with the full stop. And so many words are in between coming. Okay? So this is called the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense or complete meaning is called the sentence. उसको वाक्य बोला जाता है. You can see here. Read the following group of words. I am Naveen. It is arranged properly. Right? Full stop. Starting with capital letter, ending with full stop. Jeet is my brother. This is also making a proper sense, complete meaning. So this is a sentence. The book is on the table. It is also arranged properly and it is understood to us. So it is a sentence starting with capital, ending with full stop. All these group of words make complete sense and are called sentences. इस सबको क्या बोला जाता है? Sentences. A group. This is a definition. A group of words that makes complete sense, sense means meaning, is called a sentence. And as I told you, a sentence begins with the capital letter. I told you capital letter. It makes complete sense. आपको समझ में आएगा ऐसा arrange किया होगा. Okay. It ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamatory mark. Okay? If it is a simple sentence, then it will end with a full stop. If it is a question sentence, then it will end with question mark. If it is an imperative sentence, it ends with the full stop. If it is an exclamatory sentence, वो सब बाद में आपको समझाऊंगी मैं next class. तो तब वो exclamatory mark आता है. Okay? So, these are the things which you have to remember for understanding the sentence. सेंटेंस यानी मैंने आपको बोला था कि वाक्य है, पूरा सब शब्दों को अरेंज किया होता है, प्रॉपरली अरेंज किया होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सेंटेंस. प्रॉपरली अरेंज नहीं होगा तो वो सेंटेंस बन सकेगा नहीं. ओके, नाउ सी सम एग्जांपल्स. रीड द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. टू, garden, the, went, I. All here all are words. One word, second word, third word, fourth word, fifth word. But it is not meaningful. It is not meaningful. Why it is not meaningful? Because they are not arranged in the proper order. Okay? Now second, in the garden. In the garden अधूरा है तो ये भी सेंटेंस नहीं है. ओके, यहां पर देखो, आई कैन मेक दिस. आई वेंट टू द गार्डन. इफ आई राइट आई वेंट टू द गार्डन, then it will become a complete sentence because it is arranged very properly. Okay, by using in the garden you can make the sentence, but in the garden is not a sentence. In the garden is not a sentence. So here the group of words in example 1 does not make sense. The group of words in example 2 make sense but not complete sense. It is not making the complete sense. We can use these words to make a complete sense. Okay, now this group of words are not sentences. Since means because they do not make complete sense. But ये जो है 1, 2 and 3, these makes complete sense. So these are called sentences. But these two words do not make complete sense. So it is not the sentence. I hope you have understood this much. Okay? Now we will do exercise A. We'll do exercise A. I will write it down here. You just see. Exercise A. First one, in the garden, in the drawing room. Right? These are arranged in the proper order, but this is not a sentence. So what we have to put? We have to put wrong. Okay? Because it is not a sentence. Now, second. To me, the gave, he, book. आपको इसमें कुछ भी समझ में आता है? No, because these are words, group of words, but not arranged properly. So this is not a sentence. Put wrong here in the box. Okay? Now, third one. Listen carefully, students. The mouse is eating cheese. The mouse is eating cheese. माउस क्या खा रहा है? चीज खा रहा है. तो all these words are arranged in proper order. All these words are arranged in proper order. So this is a sentence, and the first letter of the first word is also capital, ending with a full stop. So this is the sentence. Put the tick mark. Right. Okay. Now fourth one. Left the field. ऐसा लिख के छोड़ दिया, लेफ्ट द फील्ड. क्या लेफ्ट द फील्ड? वी डोंट नो. तो ये भी सेंटेंस नहीं है. तो दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, दिस इज रॉन्ग. नाउ फिफ्थ वन. The baby is laughing. The baby is laughing. बेबी हंस रही है. राइट, बेबी हंस रही है. तो पूरा कंप्लीट है. समझ में आता है हमको. सो दिस इज द सेंटेंस स्टार्टिंग विथ कैपिटल, एंडिंग विथ फुल स्टॉप. Okay, I hope you have understood this 5 sentences. Now we will move on to 6th sentence. Is Neeta studying library the is Meeta studying library the is not meaningful. हमको उसका मीनिंग समझ में आता ही नहीं है. राइट, these are all group of words but it is not a sentence. So this is wrong. Okay, now 7. This pen belongs to महिमा. ये पेन जो है महिमा की है. तो समझ में आता है. टोटली इनकम्प्लीट सेंस. दिस पेन बिलोंग्स टू महिमा. स्टार्टिंग विथ कैपिटल लेटर, एंडिंग विथ फुल स्टॉप. सो दिस इज द सेंटेंस. राइट, नाउ 8th one. The cat is running after the mouse. कैट जो है माउस के पीछे भाग रहा है. तो समझ में आता है. इट इज मीनिंगफुल. राइट, सो दिस इज द सेंटेंस. पुट टिक मार्क. सो दिस मच इज योर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. ये आपकी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है. राइट, now we will pass on to page number 7. Page number 7. Read the group of words that does not make sense. Okay, जो सेंस नहीं दिखाता है, जो मीनिंगफुल नहीं है. Example 1. Season, favorite, my, summer. These are all group of words, but it is not making the complete sense. ओके, हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? समर इज माई फेवरेट सीजन. समर इज माई फेवरेट सीजन. तो वो क्या बनेगा? मीनिंगफुल बनेगा. देन इट विल बिकम द मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. दिस इज नॉट द मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. दिस इज द मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. स्कूल आवर क्लोज रिमेन समर इन. क्या है? समझ में आता है कुछ भी? नो, नथिंग इज अंडरस्टूड. सो वी विल राइट दिस सेंटेंस इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. आवर स्कूल रिमेन्स क्लोज्ड इन समर. आवर स्कूल रिमेन्स क्लोज्ड इन समर. हमारा स्कूल समर में बंद रहता है. राइट, सो in this way we have to arrange the sentences. उसको प्रॉपर मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए हम ऐसे अरेंज कर सकते हैं. with first letter as capital, ending with the full stop. If it is a question, you put the question mark. If it is exclamatory, put the exclamatory mark. Okay, now so for today this much is enough. ओके, इतना बहुत है. अभी नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम एक्सरसाइज बी करेंगे पेज नंबर 7 में जो है वो, और उसके बाद जो भी नीचे एग्जाम्पल्स दिया गया है वो सब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, एक्सरसाइज सी एंड डी. ओके, नाउ this much is enough for today. I hope you have all understood. You all have understood the chapter 2, the sentence, in proper way. Okay, so just go through the lesson in your textbook, read the lesson, read the examples, and write this exercise A in your grammar notebook. Okay, now till then, take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.